Good morning. We're making a Sunday breakfast. I put the bacon in and I'm gonna make a potato and jalapeno omelet. I hope it's edible. Oh, it's okay. It's a little darker, but it's edible. So this is more going to be like a spread type of breakfast. So we'll have stations like olives, avocados, omelet, and bacon. So we'll each like pick and choose into our own plate and then eat. I'll have either a slice of toast or the flatbread that I made the other day to accompany the spread. Potato is gonna keep cooking low and slow like this. We want it to like fully fry up. It's gonna clump up together a little bit. That's fine because it has the starches, and the more it cooks on a low mode, it will start to separate. So don't worry about that. I have the stove on medium to low. Now I'm gonna check on the bacon. Oh, bacon's almost done. Okay, cool. I'm gonna turn the oven off and it's gonna stay in the oven while I'll cook the rest of the stuff. At this point, I'm gonna add in the jalapenos and get the heat to a medium. I know it's a grill and it's not a toaster, but I don't have a toaster, so see, the potatoes have now started to get color. In like a minute or two, I'm gonna add the eggs. Let's have breakfast. This is a Sunday worthy breakfast. Not spicy. Thanks for watching. See you.